Usain Bolt, the Jamaican legend, need our prayer because he's going through a lot right now. Usain Bolt, for those of you that do not know, he has been scammed a lot of money. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. So welcome to the YouTube channel. Usain Bolt is one of the biggest track and field legend, and it's so sad to see what is happening to him. It's very very sad. Now, recently, Usain Bolt, right? He released he released a shocking speech on the internet, and in this video, you get to know every single detail. Um, there has been a lot of ups and downs and a lot of bangers. And this is a question by Venetia Phillips, asking Usain Bolt about his stolen money. She said, "Did you get advice or directive from the government, directly or indirectly, regarding making the investment you made and then lost? Was it all privately done? Have you sued the person who managed your affairs?" These questions, if answered, will give us a better perspective. So this woman from Jamaica, so this particular woman from Jamaica is asking Usain Bolt to give the Jamaicans in details what really happened, because Usain Bolt is making it look as if it was the Jamaican government that instructed or advised him to invest in the SSL company, right? So this woman is trying to let Usain Bolt know, like, look, let us know what really happened. Did the government advise you to invest, or you went ahead and invest on your own? That is just what the woman is trying to, that is the answers that she is looking for, right? And there's nothing bad about it. Now let me share with you the real Usain Bolt message. Now this is what Usain Bolt has to say. This is his reply to all of this drama banger happening. Usain Bolt finally have something to say, and this is what he said. He said, "In Jamaica, when you speak your truth, the syndicate and the boat will come for you." Wow, this is a very powerful statement. He said, "In Jamaica, when you speak your truth, the syndicate and boat will come for you." Usain Bolt is trying to let the Jamaicans know that if you are in Jamaica and you are someone that speaks the truth, these people will always come for you. These people will try to bring you down. These people will try to eliminate you, right? So Usain Bolt life is in danger right now, and that's why I always say he need our prayers. We need to pray for Usain Bolt so that he is not going to get any attack, because this kind of situation is a very very cruel and very very dangerous situation. Anything can happen, right? So let's pray for Usain Bolt so that he get back his money and everything will be fixed back, right? So let's pray for Usain Bolt. Let me hear your opinion.